Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, depend on your time zone. I'm Azuka OJ, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates. Again, the North asked courts to exit Southeast from Nigeria. The North has asked the court to exit Southeast from Nigeria. Some members of the coalition of northern groups have asked a federal high court in Abuja to compel the National Assembly to hasten the exit of the Southeast from Nigeria before concluding the ongoing constitutional amendment. There is a constitutional amendment ongoing, whether I should say a quack constitutional amendment. The plaintiffs, led by Nastura Asha Sharif, Barabe Rufai, Abdulaziz Suleiman, and Aminu Adam, in a supporting affidavit, said their action was informed by the need to contain violence and destruction being allegedly occasioned by the agitation for secession championed by the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. They said they did not want a repeat of the 1967 to 1970 civil war in Nigeria that cost the country millions of lives and properties worth billions of naira. The Attorney General of the Federation, the Senate President, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, and the National Assembly were listed as defendants in the suit. Wow, it's amazing. In their reaction, lawyers from Southeast, led by a senior advocate of Nigeria, Chuks Muoma, Obai Okairo, Ebere Uzoatu, and Obi Emuka, have applied to the court to join as defendant in the suit. They are seeking for order of the court to allow them to join in the suit as representatives of the people of Southeastern region. And the application for joinder filed by Victor Onweremado in Abuja on Monday, they said the case of the northern elders seeking the exit of Southeast from Nigeria had the capability to shape the life of the generation of Igbo people. And the Igbo lawyers said they had interest to protect in the suit, hence their request to be made defendants. And in their 12-paragraph affidavit in support of their application, the lawyer said the northern groups in their suit did not think it necessary to join the people of Southeast or their representatives to enable the court hear from them. Exit Southeast from Nigeria. I think the move by these Eastern lawyers, I think they are trying to even support this plan. I think it's a welcome one. I'm suspecting something. This is not the first time some Northerners are going to court seeking that the Southeast be allowed to exit. I hope our people from the Southeast has engaged them on that for long. I hope it has, Meanwhile, it is not too late. Look for all of these people from the North making such demands and work with them. That is actually what our people wanted. But I want to add that it is not just the Southeast that should go. A referendum should be conducted among all Igbo-speaking communities in Benue, Kogi, Rivers, Delta, Akwa Ibom, so that they were certain those who want to remain or go. Meanwhile, you need to hear what Ohanaeze, a major stakeholder in the Nigerian experiment, said. Ohanaeze reveals when Igbo will leave Nigeria. The body speaking for Ndigbo, Ohanaeze Ndigbo. They disclosed that, by their own time, and they have a time in this, when Igbo will leave Nigeria. According to the statement by their spokesman, Chedozie Obona, I don't even know the wish of the Ohanaeze. He said, while reacting to the suit filed by the coalition of the Northern Group, seeking the exit of Southeast from Nigeria, he said the Igbos will leave the country when they want, adding that no person or group had the right to act superior to another in Project Nigeria. They are interested in the experiment. And it stressed that no group has the right whatsoever to ask another to go or to ask another to leave Nigeria. He said Igbos have as much right in Nigeria as any other ethnic group. And to that extent, Igbos will leave Nigeria only when they wish to do so, but not on the instrumentality of another group. And he also noted that, on the other hand, Igbo has sacrificed much more than any group for the corporate existence of Nigeria. So if any group should talk about ownership of the country, it is those who have sacrificed more, he said. Meanwhile, I have a question for Ohanaeze. Ohanaeze, when does the Ndigbo want to leave? What is the essence of the current agitation? Ohanaeze should tell us. Or is it rather when you, Ohanaeze, wants the Igbo to leave? Make IPOB hear that one from Fonamot again. And if we go to na mistake, anyway, let me consider that as part of the game till I hear from our viewers on the comment section of this video. But Ohanaeze fisha na anyo. Now let's get to the other news. The senator who said Nigerians were exaggerating insecurity under Buhari has spent 50 days with kidnappers. It was reported some weeks back that the former senator that represented the good people of Eket Senatorial District of Akwa Ibom State, Senator Nelson Effiong, was kidnapped in Uyo, the Akwa Ibom state capital. And since the time he was kidnapped now the senator has been with those who abducted him. And based on that note, a well-known human rights activist, Deji Adeyanju, decided to react. And according to a post he made and on his verified Facebook page, he made it known that the senator from Akwa Ibom State, Nelson Effiong, who said that Nigerians are always exaggerating the insecurity, there is nothing like that, they are just, under Buhari, he has spent 50 days in kidnappers den. I hope he will still be saying there is no insecurity in that kidnappers den. This is really sad one indeed. I think this is the time for everyone to rise up and do something because of the way things are looking presently. This according to Deji Adeyanju. He said, I don't think that anyone is safe in Nigeria now. Things must be properly done if we must move forward as a country. Anyway, viewers, what is your take? The senator acted like a traitor to the people by denying the obvious. The obvious is that there is insecurity, but why did he deny it? Remember the Kaduna statesman whose son was an Air Force personnel who was killed by bandits. Prior to that incident, remember what he was saying? He was busy saying things were exaggerated and nothing like insecurity as is reported on the daily regularly. Now it got to him. It got to this same person who said there is nothing like that. Just like the Niger Delta senator, they both denied the fact that people are falling victims to the insecurity in the country. And they would rather want to please the Buhari regime for reasons I don't even know. Anyway, I'm not mocking them, but people should say the truth and stop lying, especially when it concerns matters like this. A word is enough for the wise. You don't just open your mouth, you want to please Buhari, and you see something going wrong, and because you want to please Buhari, you said nothing is wrong. Because it has not gotten to you. There's a proverb in our place. Until it gets to you, you will not understand. There is insecurity in Nigeria. I think what we should do is to fight it. Stop trying to make Buhari feel happy by telling there is nothing, it's exaggerated. These guys are funny. Anyway, viewers, add your comment. Tell us what you think about our stories today. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube, and click on the bell icon to get our updates every time it drops. I'm Azoka. I say bye for now.